Hey guys, it's Jacqie! And today's video, as I'm sure you could tell by the title, is solutions for foundations that are too light for you. There are ways to make them match you, and in this video I will show you a couple ways. If you like this video and you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I would love to have you come back for more videos. Hit that little bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation and be alerted as soon as my videos go up. I know I say that twice in some videos, but I assume everybody does not watch till the end. So sometimes I remember to throw it in there at the beginning as well. So yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so since we did the dark foundation fix, trick, tip, solution, whatever you want to call it, since we did that one, now I'm thinking we do the my foundation's too light fix, tip, trick, solution, whatever you want to call it. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation 24-hour fresh wear in 410. It is, let's see, 410 is, isn't it like ivory? Let me, ivory, yes, okay. So this is ivory and this foundation is too light for me. So we are going to put some of this on, and I'm going to show you some ways that you can make a foundation that's too light work besides mixing it with a darker foundation. That's the obvious solution. We're going to try different things. So let me just put this on my face. Oh my, see, super light for me. Yes. Okay, so I just put on the foundation. As you can see, it's way too light for me. I put on concealer. I use the E.L.F 16-hour camo concealer. You know a concealer is too light when you use a foundation that is too light for you and your concealer is still lighter than that. I definitely bought the wrong color. This is light sand, which is the same color I was in Tarte Shape Tape, so I thought it would be right. It's not. But anyway, so as you can tell, I look like a ghost, and this foundation is far, far too light for me. So there are two ways to fix this. One is, if you are like me and you have blemishes and such, you have a concealer that is a little darker, that is about your skin tone color. This is fair and it's by Believe Beauty. So you can use a concealer. We're gonna do half the face. A concealer, the same type of deal with, you know, the foundation that's too dark, but with a darker concealer that you usually would use to cover blemishes and stuff. Okay, so you can use that. So that, of course, as you can see, is one solution. This side is much closer to my natural skin color than this side. Actually, this side looks like it. Isn't that interesting? This side, it actually looks the same as my neck, but when you look at my face, it looks too light. Alright. Anywho's. So there is always that trick. Or next trick is you take your bronzer. I suggest you use a matte bronzer because like a shimmery bronzer, unless you want your like whole face to shine and shimmer, I would be a little hesitant on that part. But a matte bronzer, I'm using the Butter Bronzer. Ooh, we're losing stuff. In the shade Bronzer. And you just take that and you bronze like you normally would, right? Bronze like you normally would, but you bring it down just to kind of darken your skin a little, so it then matches better. So you bronze like you usually would, but then you take what's left and you drag it down and over the spots that are too light, like my chin, my upper lip. You see? Like so. And that way you are more matched. You see? You can tell a difference because obviously this isn't like all over conceal job, and this is more of a strategic but yes, so that is another way that you can make a foundation that is way too light for you work. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of my makeup, and I'll be back to show you the rest of my makeup. Okay, so this is the final look. You would never know that that foundation was way too light. You would never be able to tell now. Now it just looks like it matches me. So yeah, I really hope that this video was helpful. If it was and you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. So that is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. I've already said this. I repeat myself a lot. So yeah, I hope you'll tune in for more of my videos, and I also hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!